Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. After many days of vegetarian food, today I've decided to cook fish and today's recipe is Aar Mach'r Jhol. Now jhol is actually a stew, a runny stew, and this is a recipe which is quite often cooked at our home. First I'm going to take the Aar fish pieces and marinate it with turmeric and salt and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. The next step will be to fry this fish. So I'm going to heat a wok and I'm going to add some mustard oil into it and let it come to a smoking heat. Next, I'm going to fry the fish piece. While adding the fish piece into the oil, remember to lower the heat. And then, after you add the fish, cover it and then increase the flame to a high. And likewise, when you are going to flip the fish, that is, you need to uncover it, you need to decrease the flame again and then uncover the lid and then flip the fish pieces. Once you see that the fish has got fried from both the sides, do not over fry it, otherwise the fish is going to get chewy. We will remove this fish. About 1 or 2 minutes each side will be enough. For the tempering, I am going to use the cumin seeds, that is the jeera seed. And then once the aroma is liberated from the jeera, I'm going to add the potato wedges and fry it for some time, and then I'm going to sprinkle some salt and turmeric powder into it and then fry it further. And after this is fried, I'm going to add some tomato wedges also into it. I did not show this in the video. And then I'm going to cover it and let it cook. And meanwhile, I'm going to make a masala paste with haldi powder, that is turmeric powder, cumin powder, that is jeera powder, and red chili powder, that is lal mirch powder, and then finally the ginger garlic paste. With very little water, I'm going to mix it into a paste form. Now this is going to go into the potato tomato that I have been frying. I'm going to add the masala paste into it. Fry this masala paste for quite some time and do this on a high flame. You need to fry this in order to remove all the raw smell of the masalas. The more you fry it, the better the taste of the curry. We'll add the salt into it now. We can check it later. There are many other fish recipes in our channel. I'll put the links for those in the description box, or I may add the I button as well on the top. You can have a look into it. Fry the masala till the oil oozes out, and then the next step is to add the water. Remember to add hot water into this curry. Now cover it and let it come to a boil. Add in the fish pieces. Be careful because it is a very delicate fish. And then you add the oil also that has been left along with the fish on the plate. Cover it and let it cook on a low flame or a medium flame for about 5 minutes. Potatoes are done. Do check the salt at this time. If need be, you can adjust the salt. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes or so and then switch off the flame and cover and let it stay like that for some time. And then it is ready to be served. Best served with steamed rice. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Do give it a try. And thank you for watching till the end. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you soon in our next video. Bye bye. And this is the ingredients list. Do have a look into it.